What's up guys, welcome to another video on this channel. In this video I will be talking about how you can save your Photoshop images in the highest possible quality to upload them to Twitter and keep them HD. So to demonstrate how you do this, I've got this header that I made quite a while back for a client, and I'm just going to show you, like, once you've made the header or whatever it is you're posting, how to save that for uploading to the internet. So one thing you want to make sure you do before you start the header is make sure the resolution is set to 72, not anything higher than that, because otherwise it'll mess up the resolution and you'll end up making the resolution worse because the image won't be in that high of a quality. So once you've made the header or whatever it is that you're making, you want to select all your layers, merge them by pressing Ctrl E, and then duplicate them by pressing Ctrl J. And then what you're going to want to do is we're going to make the image sharper, so go to filter, go to sharpen, and then where is it? Smart sharpen. And I just stick with the default settings, but you can play around with that, see what works, if you want it less sharp or more sharp. I think that was at about 200. So just press OK, and then that should make the image sharper. As you can see, it's not like too sharp. If there's some bits that are too sharp, just get the eraser tool and erase the bits that you don't like. So once that's done, merge these two layers again, Ctrl E, and then you want to just knock the opacity down to 99% if you're going to upload to Twitter. I don't know why that works, but it's something to do with the way that Twitter displays their images. It just comes up at a higher resolution if you knock that down to 99 opacity. So once you've done that, it's time to export the file. So instead of pressing save as, you want to go to export and then save for web legacy. And once that's loaded, you want to make sure it's PNG 24, you want transparency to be enabled, and you want interlaced to also be ticked. So once you've done that, you just want to make sure that the quality is set to bilinear instead of bicubic. I think it's normally set to bicubic, but turn that to bilinear. And then you want to save that. Save it whatever you want to. I'll save it as header. And then press save, and then once that's loaded, that should be saved in high quality for you to upload to your social media. So yeah, you can go and upload that image that you just saved to your Twitter or whatever you're uploading it to, and it will be a lot higher quality than saving it as anything else, like a JPEG or a normal PNG or anything like that. So if this video helped you, then make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you're new and you want to see more content like this, and I will see you next week for another video.